I'm also working at the University of Emden-Leer, and I'm actually doing seminars and small projects with students to overcome feminicide, the killing of women. And on the 25th of November every year we do projects to go to the public, because it's so important to understand that we need much more media discussion, public discussion on this issue of killing of women. And it's not a private issue, but it is presented also in Germany in the media as something private, like a family issue or something like this, or like some drama, what has not a structural background, but it has a structural background, and we need to emphasize this, that it needs public debate, it needs an awareness, and we need to see the structure behind this problem of feminicide. It's not a problem just in one country, but it's all over the world, and the situation gets better when there's a struggle of feminist movements to bring it to the public. So we need public so much. So if there is a law not saying we should not have it in the public, not have it in the media, this is so wrong. This is a totally wrong direction. So it's so important to bring it with any means possible to a public debate, and to get aware of the structure of patriarchy, of misogyny that is behind the killing of women. It's not a private issue, and it needs like for everybody to discuss it, to demand that there are laws to prohibit feminicide, to really have strong sentences, and like that everybody is aware that this is not acceptable, and that the law enforcement is clear about that, and that we are all aware about what is. Every day women get killed by men, and so this cannot continue. We really have to stop this, and so this law is really unacceptable. I think the most important is that women get organized by themselves. On the grassroots, in their communities, in their neighborhoods, at their workplace, wherever they are, at school, at university, at arts, in sciences, in their job, everywhere. So it really needs to be a broad organizing of women, and only by this, like by really strong networks and organizing, we can really build a new society that is more secure for women. And just demanding it from the state, it's not wrong if there is a law to prohibit feminicide or to give rights to women, but this is not the solution alone. It's just like one maybe small something in addition, what is not wrong, but is not what, we need much more than that.